Welcome viewers. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.5 of class 8 mathematics, that is linear equation in one variable. Question number 1. I have already written the equation. Let's start with. So as we all know, dealing this kind of fraction or any variable with denominator, we have to find the LCM and bring the equation in straight line. So, and LCM, how do we calculate? Just revise. We keep on dividing the numbers till we get 1 as remainder and we multiply the factors. So in this case, taking this part, the LCM will be 10, 5 into 2, 10. So common denominator will be 10 and this will become 2 divides 10, we get 5, so this will be 5x minus 5 divides 10, we get 2, so we get 2 here. This is equal to, common denominator in this case will be 3 into 4, that is 12. We get hit here, 3 divides 12, we get 4, so 4x plus 4 divided 12, we get 3. So far clear? So this cross multiplies, we get 12 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 into 4x plus 3. You can write it as, we open the bracket, 12 into 5, 60, so we get it here, 60x minus 24 is equal to 40x plus 30. We get it as 40 moves here, we get as 60x minus 40x is equal to 30 plus 24. So we get here 20x is equal to 30 plus 24, that is 54. So x is equal to 54 divided by 20 and we get it as 27 by 10. Clear? And you can write it as 2.7 also, or 27 by 10. Moving on to the next question. Here we get LCM as 12, so common denominator will be 12. This becomes 6n minus, this is 3 into 3, 9n plus 5 into 2, 10n is equal to 21. So we get it here as, this become 1 and so we get it 7, 6 plus 1, 7n is equal to 21 into 12. So n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7, so 3 into 12, 3 into 12, that is 36. So we get the value of n as 36. Moving on to the next question. Here common denominator will be 3. This will become 3x. This will become 21. 7 3s are 21 and this will remain 8x is equal to, in this case common denominator, that is LCM, will be 6 and we'll get it here 17 minus, this will be 3 into 5, that is 15x. Okay, so we move 3 that side, we will get the values as 3x minus 8x plus 21 is equal to 3 by 6 into 17 minus 15x. Okay, so this gone, this become 2, so we write it as, this will be minus 5x, so 5 into 2, that will be minus 10x, and this will become plus 42. 2 into 21 is 42 is equal to, this will remain 17, and this will be minus 15x. So get the values, 15x moves here, this becomes plus 15 and minus 10x, so you get as, you can write it down, 15x minus 10x is equal to 17 minus 42, so we get this as 5x is equal to, this will be minus 25, so we get x is equal to minus 25 by 5, that is minus 5. Clear? Moving on to the next question. We can straight away cross multiply, so we get the equation as 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. So we get it as 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. So this become 5 minus 2, that is 2x is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. So x is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Clear? Question number 5. So you see it as two parts, okay? Both parts have got variable on the left hand side, and this is right hand side, it has also got variable. So here we take the LCM, so this become common denominator, that is 12, okay? And we write it as 4 divides 12, so we get 3 multiplies 3t minus 2, okay? And here it stays the minus, and we take, and this become 4 divides 12, 3 divides 12, we get 4, so 4 multiplies 2t plus 3, okay, is equal to common denominator 3, and we get it as 2 minus 3t, okay? So we move straight away 12 here, and we can write this equation as 3t, 3 into 3, 9, this becomes 9t minus 6 minus 8t, this minus into plus, this will become minus, so it will be minus 4 3 is a 12 is equal to 12 divided by 3 into 2 minus 3t, okay? So this equation, let's solve this. Here we got left out the t, and this is minus 18 is equal to, this become 4, so we get it as 8 minus 12t, okay? Let's move, this become t plus 12t, so we get the value as 13t is equal to, this 18 become plus, so we get it as 26. So t is equal to 26 divided by 13 is equal to 2. Clear? Question number 6. Here we have got two parts, both are variable. So we write this equation as common denominator will be 2, and this will become 2m minus m minus 1 is equal to common denominator 3, so this will become 3 minus m minus 2, okay? See, you have to be careful, there is no bracket here, so you don't change the sign of this one, okay? So let's simplify it further. We get it as, we cross multiply, as we get 6m, okay, minus 3m minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 2m minus 4. Okay, so this become 3m minus 3 is equal to 2, this become 2 minus 2m. Moving m this side, this will become 5m. Okay, and this will become 3 moves here, we get 5. So m is equal to 5 divided by 5. Moving on to question number 7. So let's open the bracket first. So this becomes 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. So 10, we can take 3t here, so we get minus 9 minus, this become minus 5 here is equal to 10t minus 3t. Okay, so we get 7t, this becomes 7t is equal to minus 14. So t is equal to minus 14 by 7 is equal to minus 2. Clear? Question number 8. Let's open the bracket. So this becomes 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus minus minus plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's take variable on one side. So we have got 50 plus 15y, and these two become minus 2y plus 5y, that is, so we get here 15 plus 3, that is 18y, and we move all the way numbers to other side, so you get it here 6, this become plus 60 minus 18 and minus 30. So we get y is equal to, this become t minus, this is 12, okay, by 18. So we get here 2 by 3. So y is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Question number 9. So this become 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17. Okay, so this become minus 3z here, okay, and plus 1 is equal to 32z, and this become minus 69. So we get as this become minus 32, so we get minus 35z. This become minus 1 is equal to minus 70. So this minus get nullified, so we get z is equal to, or we can write it as z is equal to minus 70 divided by minus 35 is equal to 2. Okay. Moving on to the last question. This question can be written as 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 by 100 to 10f minus 9. Okay, so 100 get cancelled here, and we open the brackets as 100f minus 75 is equal to 50f minus 45. So this moves here, so you get 50, 100 minus 50, that is 50f is equal to, this become plus 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. So we get f is equal to 30 by 50 is equal to 3 by 5. So f is equal to 3 by 5. In decimal you can convert it as, this become point, this become 30 with point, so we get 0.6. Clear? So this completes our exercise 2.5. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to solve question number 6. 1 second. Previously, I solved in a manner where I got the answer as 1. That is value of m as 1. Okay, but in the textbook, answer given is 7 by 5. So, why that happened? Okay, so let's start with. This time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider this negative sign being assigned to both of this. So I will introduce a bracket. So let's start with. So I can write m here. We take a common denominator. So this become 2m. Okay, and this negative sign remains, and I write it this way, minus 1, and we get this common denominator as 2. Here also this become 3 minus, I introduce this common sign to both of this, and I get denominator as 3. Okay, cross multiplication, so I get it as, this cross multiplies 6m, 3 into 2, 6m, minus, open the bracket, 3m, this minus and this minus become plus, into 3 plus 3, okay, is equal to, this become 2 into 3, 6, minus 2m, okay, and this minus and minus become plus, and this become plus 4. Alright, so this become 6 minus 3, that is 3m plus 3 is equal to, this become 10, and this become, this remains to be minus 12. This moves here, we get 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3, so we get it as 5m is equal to 7, so m is equal to 7 by 5. This is the answer as per the textbook. Previously the way it was solved, this negative sign was not taken into consideration for both of this. So I left this thing at this stage, and for further purpose, I'll let her clarify this. You consider bracket, that is, you consider this negative sign assigned to both of these when variable is written in integer form, though we can get value in rational number also, but it doesn't have any denominator, and there exists this form of equation, and in between there is a negative sign. Okay, similarly you try question number 5. There also you get a different value of t if you don't consider this negative sign assigned to both the parameters. Okay, thank you.